The Carpenter Last Project. Once upon a time, there was an experienced carpenter. He's named Henry, who was ready to retire. He had worked tirelessly for many years, building beautiful houses that brought job countless families. Henry decided it was time to relax and enjoy his remaining years with his family. Henry informed his employer, Mr. Thompson, of his plan to retire. Mr. Thompson was saddened to hear this, as Henry has been his most reliable and skilled worker. Nonetheless, he respected Henry's decision and asked for one final favor. Henry, before you go, would you please build just one more house for me? He requested. Henry agreed reluctantly. He was eager to retire, and his heart was not fully in it. He usually suffered material and rest thought construction performing work that was far below his usual standard. It was an unfortunate day to end his career, but he simply wanted to get it done. When the house was completed, Mr. Thompson came to inspect it. After looking around, he turned to Henry and handed him the front door key. This is your house, Henry. It's my gift to you for your years of hard work and dedication. Henry was stunned. If he had known that he was building his own house, he would have done it all so differently. Now he had to live in a poorly constructed home, a constant reminder of what would you have been. The story of Henry teaches us an important lesson. Always give your best effort, no matter the task. The quality of our work reflects our character, and we never know when we might be building our own future. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. See